you they do live video, you stole somebody friend for another person friend. God said that you will work and work and work. The person and the French, they will come back again. God said, I should tell you, you should stop working in vain, because that friendship that belongs to that person doesn't belong to you. God said that when two people that is friendship are quarreling, and you that is not the friendship of those people, you don't have to take that person from that person. God said that it's not going to work. Now, so God say make I can talk. My people, how na dey now? I be no wan come out. I say make I come out. And God say make I come send this message to friendship. Friendship. Nobody can take somebody's friendship. Somebody like as me, I dey as I dey. Nobody cannot take my friendship. Because if you take somebody's friendship, you go dey fight every day, fight. For you to talk that I must take that person's friendship and I must take it for you. And the person that owns that friendship, their friendship is there, and you that is not the owner of this friendship, that time you will be laboring in vain. You will shout, and labor. At the end of the day, the friendship that belongs to somebody's friendship, you remove hand for that friendship. Let the two friendship fight for their say they are fighting for two of them get problem. You as not that person friendship, just come out for them, because that friendship is not for you. No matter how you go fight, that you know that you are stealing somebody's else friendship. What you have to do, you have to go and look for your own friendship that you will build and you will build. Don't take somebody's friendship and you think that that friendship is going to last for you. It's not going to last, because friendship you are stealing is like you are stealing. it's like you are stealing friendship. You know, anybody, you are in this app, you are from anywhere, you are from in this life, living this life, you stole somebody's friendship, you want to take that person's friendship as your friendship. The friendship is not going to work. You go and look for friendship that is neat, that friendship not be problem, that friendship dey when you collect for another person hand. If you think that friendship you collect for somebody hand, that friendship is going to work, you will shout tire. You go shout tire. You go do trouble tire. You know, that is how it be. If you take friendship that is not your friendship, you go shout, you go tire. Because that friendship that is not for you is not going to work. No matter how you go do it for your mind, you don't say that somebody's friendship now you take. You know, but not that is Sister Maggie. Sister Maggie, do I want you? My mother call you, we travel. Eh? Osanobla yoge me you wege nya. That your friend, that is your friend, you should go and make peace with that your friend. And link Facebook Wahala. You know, Osanobla yoge nyani me tamae. May I check on whether Sister Meg dey house. May your fiance Sister Meg iruwa. So send me na vai. God don't tell me this thing. He said make I text Sister Meg say make he go back to his friendship. Make he forget Facebook friendship. You won't say Arina. Ukbokole. Dobe. Only hen we were friend. Only hen I watch that noa. Now I call you Sister Meg. Sister Meg iruwa. Sister Meg not the house. Sister Meg iruwa. Oh, abaju ewa ye. Osanobla jewu won je o. Ayawe nyani meta my get that friendship and the friendship that you throw away, that you should go and go back to that your friendship. Oh my that call here since yesterday. I not see Sister Meg. Now God just send this message. I know Digi can't see send the message. Say make I send and go give Sister Meg. Any fight you fight, You have friends, you fight with your friend. Those two friends, for their heart is bleeding that they leave their self. But people will not know. If they are fighting their self, people will think that, oh, that they fight their self, they hate their self. It's better your friend is your friend. Yes, your friend na your friend. Me, I like friendship. Oh, I don't know. I like friendship very well. I too like friendship. I don't dey like make person follow my friendship. Like, I can never leave my friendship for you. Like, no matter how me with my friend go fight reach. Now, so God tell me, say, the two friendship people, no, no, make anybody not talk for this matter. Nobody should talk. If you are a live video presenter, if you are a commenter, you are in my platform, only what I want you people to be writing, let their friendship come back. Those are what I want. If you did this my platform, you don't say wetin don fit dey talk, it dey surely come to pass. If you did this my platform, you want to comment, only wetin I want make una dey write for here, make Meg with Monica go settle back, and dem must settle back. This one I be this. I think this is the second time now, abi. This is the second time now when they don't quarrel. The third time now, na me go settle there. God say make I settle there. God say make I tell Sister Meg, say make he just dey inside Facebook without not getting person when he put for mind. Meg not get mind. I don't know why she dey put person for mind. You know, say somebody when not get mind, when they take this, when they take the hate, if you don't dey follow people, you will begin they get that heart, and your angel, your spirit not go happy. Yeah, so most people know they know. You know, most people know they know. Your spirit will not be happy. There is some angel. You when you wear white cloth with somebody that wear black cloth is not the same. Just when you see white cloth, you see black cloth, you can see angel. You know if you go use black till steamer. Now wetin God say make I do. Even he say, before Sister Meg go carry this phone, e go reach 5 years. I must to dey call am because God have sent me this message. God don't send me message. I know they talk for people matter like that. I know they settle people. I don't know. This is they always dey my mind. 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 God tell me say these two friends, they not get peace when two of them take the quarrel. They not get peace. But why are you play with your peace? And two of them know they not get peace, so and then they play with their peace. Then why can't just to get your peace, so that you will have peace? You know, and they call her, you don't carry phone. I'll call her yesterday, you don't carry phone. This something don't dey my mind since. I call her yesterday, you don't carry phone, you don't take. Anytime we take carry phone, if na a year, if na 6 months, if na a year, you go take, if na 15 years, you go take, I must still send my message. Or maybe before you go reach a year and 2 years and 3 years, before you go pick my call, that settlement must take place. I've seen it. You know, your friend are your friend. If you with person don't do friend. If you like, go stay with other friends. You know they work. That your friend is still your friend. Now so it be. But people that I carry call. I don't know whether I don't come for work. But any day now, I do well now. I'm a peaceful maker. I'm going to cool her down. No matter how it will be. You know? May I check her again? Okay, oh no, you know. But I can say, if I don't see this live video now, what they do now? They'll say, lovely, don't come again. Oh, yo! Adegbe. Buwelu. Okay, we're vai. Any monko. I don't put you for speaker. No, I don't put you for speaker, no. Where must you where must you tell me now? Hey, where is the speaker? O se no bla je won ni mejeje. O se no bla yi mege nyan. Mighty no se. Oyi Barry black sont direct gbo. O se no bla yo ge nyan ni meta ma ge nyan mighty no se. O white gbe. Na ri John big gbo. Well say. You know. Okay. I don't made your funny video. Now, better you speak out. I'm not put up for speaker. Me, Megman show you message. Megman getting this message is for you and Monica. Also, I know. Megman she saw this why. God will tell me. God will tell me. What better you wearing now, sister? Sister, wait. Vile. Sister, hey, sister, good idea. Hey, you just go, you may just sit down. My boy, no say jaye. Yeah, but I don't say the video. I know your mind. My wallet, my did not say sister, good idea. Sister gbera ni sister. Men say when mighty not cool. I don't know why. She saw this why. Mami, when the record, work on the Facebook now. When the was you already me di block me na no say. Upi I don't want where ruku muria. Where washa. Where ga we washa. O kwadu we ruku muria. E ki gba order no kan. E ki gba order no kan. But Metanyama, where the big baby. You won't beat me. No, you know, but you sister, where be bag now, over. But all no say. All no say. Around the Facebook, I know not want to have any over right. Ugweye yo ni vai. Ware ko wa o ge ba. Buole. O ya bagbe ra ni yan. Aipe all those one na go sit on on. O pare we ki ai sabo mi kan wa mo na fun na ko ye va di do ye mi kan leg. Maybe I'm not sister. When I'm not going to go na esunu le o even esunu wasele. You know. Maybe I'm not na. I don't know why. See, so this why you did my mind. That they say why. You know. No, but yeah, I was not blind. But me just see that I want you better plan. Wewe gbere ebu ewo lu ya sister eze gwe de ba no kan wewe so no kan re sister we don kanya o we carry wi ono ke no me ya we carry we ni gani oda mi ari we ni we kisi we ni we oda de bo ni gbe we ki da gbojo we ji this your friend ji we ki gbori we ni oda gbojo we ni we ki gbo si we ni we oda gbo de bo ni gbe we ba da go a yeah. Oh yeah, by friend you are. Yeah, what I was there call it by. We are offended by my beer this above a bit of survival beer. I will be Facebook. No. Yeah, I will be Facebook. But I can have my Facebook. I will run out of we will be back. No. Ella will have my sister. I quite a woman. I saw me that will be me that. No. Yeah, no. But Freddie no say no matter how. But this is what sister be correct was sister be correct was sister we go get the time after no say. Sister. Sister since we be mo rere was is then now. But no say jaje. We will pay one time. I remember home. Sister, sister, wait. Iri ọ̀nà búẹ̀wọ̀ ni. Ebi bọ̀ pa wẹ̀wọ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mi dà dọ́tọ̀ ẹ̀ búwẹ̀ dà mí kẹrin. Àní wẹ̀rú gbòòrè ní báyìí, màá rú gbòòrè ọ̀ní ọ̀pá náà. Okay. When my never will not say one. Will not say one. Yeah, no. Everywhere, moon of I want the phone one. I was quite that sorry. Okay. Where be nearby party no well. Where go or ye go with where go for we shall again. Where we pop power or no have moment. We pop power or no have moment. No. Where Bishop with that share. Only kino work on one Facebook now. Just take yourself come out. I feel understand. No. Sister, I sure. Well, I sure be right near sister. Be right near. When my mokata my genya, where the region, but we're going home. Where were you? Hey, sister, when sometimes I read that the region by ye. Hey, we are talking everywhere, nail when we genya, it's Jana. Or maybe Jaye, I don't understand. Like me now, oh, yeah. But ask me now, as far as I be your senior sister, I'm going to tell you. Iwo kesa yoge nyani me jonu na je. Yeah. Gawara ri video ege ni aje, uye ri video je. Oh yeah, a friend did not say no. Wa bí kò mú ọwọ́ mú sí wọrí. Wà kò mú ọwọ́ mú sí wọrí. no juju wey dem dey do when they work. Now they are ignorant. Now that is foolishness. Bori wanelu no ebe sure enable now. They not be people you go take serious. You know, tomorrow they go insult you. Another day they'll follow you make friend. No, say I'm not a make friend like that. Maybe, yeah, maybe they'll make you friend. I just stood my ground on this social media now because I be big person. Maybe that the way where they look me for social media say, hey, lovely, not concern me. Yeah, that is it. For we are maybe we are lost. We are see we need because hey, you na me con. Then they are dog who when na every big kids. Are you again now? Are you again now? Obvio, I'm walking that yoki. Are you again now? A B. Or sure, divan. Where did be? I would be better. Huh? Why did I make that? I got out one again. May I know this or we be? May I saw this or we be? Yes, sister said we can't go New York yaba. Sister we are car. Medi don't hear on social media. Sister not just green. Sister AJ. All over ni gu mo egbe me. Àwọn ebu ere di na àwọn ko je o. Oko no say, oko no we trash we no you too get that kind mind do. Me I no dey gree o. We are moto gbe won supa ofo me nagbera. Isso ẹ̀kọ́ dúdú jọ́rẹ̀ sówúnú fídíò náà alu as how wẹ́dọ̀ dé bá a hàn ekigba wẹ́dà dé bá a hàn ekigba wẹ́dà àríwé jọ̀ pa how many times as you dey no get side so no be say you go see come for a no get side go see dey there later now you go come see scatter you with a no get. Yeah, sister, not try am o, not try am. And if you try that thing, a lot of people not go like her. Because anytime where I not go talk put maybe you see fisi try where we want honor can forgive. I cannot say may you not try, may you try. No, sister, no go where suppose where the no who ni. Where suppose where the no who ni wa we do. No. You're supposed to run for that woman. Fire. Now mama on nonsense. Oda be we sisi we ni we. Sure. Oda ye no binu re tan yo le obi o working. Obi o da wo diri o be gloria. Okay, let's say for example, okay, work bobi e man, egbe man. Nana, I can't they say waiting. I know they like that kind of thing. We are work baby and say one fight work pa won. May only you want carry the cross. I'm not going to do so. You know, say aba. Na wow. Ha. Yeah. Non mais mon qui est là quand ben choda ce lien. Ouais ça no ko ni ouais so won no so e mu na no sen rere gba mai. Ba ko no ni na yo na to si age na. Me akere ge nya we bi Monica ko enya. Awo wa ka comot na to put. But no John akere wa ko as a senior so pour set over. Well, just that working that with marriage. And they marry. About you married, then I want to wear that with marriage. You can work in marriage for you. Just get one person and when you just did the not below here. No, so no. Hey, I let you my sister. Hey, they never know. How good do you actually you be sister? Ah, now wow. But you were trash. I got my pure. I got the remove ya again. I wrong, man. No, man. Did all let a book it on the out. No, no. So, and you they could let go. Where me and you know they let go. Now me be forgiveness is a sin. Yeah, I don't dey let go. No, all they affect you for life. I don't dey follow that person do anything again. Me be all they akwa vanya. Me women, I could just see the thought of my baby. The Christmas they carry a while ago that side. Masa borehon. That I could do the extensive to have that corner. I need a work it do tie. Where that yet? We are not everyone hand they will be against you. They will come be like say they don't have trust in you anymore. Just be with you. Well, I went to show you say was see any of anything, like none of them good. No, but they are the same. No, anyway, I don't know when you do this so me where it even no what. All of them they shit for us. No, you have to use it and respect your people where they follow you. When you say now three people will get for fans. Yeah. Let them trust you. Let them know say if you say no, now no. Not be say frustration will reign. That's also with social media. Mm. Mm. Okay, bye. Obi aba okay, bye. Ẹ bá pẹ́ ká mọ orí àti mímí ẹ̀sìn ni. Okay, bye, sister. No, sister. Obi aba when be me here. My be a covan. I would just waiting me with big problem with you now. Go dey talk. I don't want to talk on that thing make dey sweet. At the end of the day you know why those people they talk like on where me omi pe vana me omi who they work out a law was again my go carry by belle my go spoil my go do this one and that omi pe I hear me omi pe na useless you know yeah it is je o le abai I will buy my sister my brother day either they talk as they be JJC my brother dey you are mi ikpo kan carry wa abroad sef okay gene yo imo ke yi no dile we be me friend din ekiko ashi clinic shan ya eh I no dey believe them all those lie wey they lie me I no dey believe them no I no dey believe them. Okay bye obi o abroad aje Nigeria eko eje ohun eko egbe ni akoda yo ri akiri sweet calling na we ko wa e go kana teach you school e dey hard okay di fi dey rewa o e wa pe agun o je imu no se wen gani they will end up carry belle e dey rewu mi wen gani wa ajere and but today look at where my children is today you know eji mi meje na me di the other aba obi no no pa me we ho I no dey do like that for me ebi na beer ko mi e me da gu ebi na beer ba ko na beer ke ko mi ebi ba over no ba to over make it go after we buy ebe wo na e ba o gbe the social media ground they too dey like my sister no e ba o gbe they too dey like I just say me I hear of you and I am trying to say to a view your best friend and your friend. They say have a video no say wow. You are enjoy one Christmas. When no worry, no worry, I am the video say anyway man. Okay, the post on yeah, whether I still in love with her. Ojo ra we fi sha. Seven, why you need trust here? akize kwore agbu ki kwo na we ke gbo. Or akisa bosi we ke gbo re, you go come get stand. Too much igboke ame we lo na ye da for we ho na. But I know the day I mean no the day I go to mention ni on the day ni abayo re na si ke waiting na esan woman waiting if you want just dey make dey fight may not put your matter okay boy kita ye no ke go chere ava de juweji e ko elu oyi wa settle na we be dey settle na wow on the ni trash I will try. So my sister as you just dey where you no get dey so born for where you no get dey no be say you come be stretch am for here no meye we meye ebre ori ayeye ge ni ede ni ge na edomi no ge mi TikTok me da yo me wa sure when me read TikTok now they say he call you for that one video now say no I'm not sure because me no go betray you and me no gay na so when no dey attack mama oda yo ge nya ge o esan wo no I we ge nya say see this matter he say no we be no dey me una no go fight na go say wetin wan go bring fight between you with Enoge he say the old woman dey Enoge TikTok na go say I'm not sure he say whether he go dey lie na tell am say me I no dey TikTok I come say you know fit come where no get if you still come where no get they go still be like the rest now no they go get as e be wà fẹ̀kẹ̀ mi ò rí rèé rí wà fẹ̀kẹ̀ rẹ̀ wọ̀n à lè ṣán o take care o ìwọ rí ìwé níyan níwọ̀ lè mọ́ fẹ̀kẹ̀ lè mọ́ okay now take care of yourself bye my people how you dey yeah no I just now some things now just dey hear now I got to say may I confirm that's it